Hello! In this video tutorial, you will learn how to quickly integrate your Kommo with the official WhatsApp Business API using the ChatArchitect app. After a few steps, you will be able to send the first message. Firstly, open the Settings section. Select Integrations. Go to the search bar. Type ChatArchitect. Click on Install. Opt in the privacy policy and access to your Kommo account agreement options. Press the Install button. Enter your WhatsApp Business API key. Enter your WhatsApp Business secret key. Save the entered keys. To test sending and receiving messages, send a message from your personal WhatsApp number. Then go to the Chat sections. Select the conversation. Type a reply to test. Press the Send button. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use our integration with WhatsApp Business API. If you have any questions, we recommend that you visit our website or contact our support team.